guys, it's been a while. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be using NYX's Vinyl Club, so continue to keep watching to see how I got this look. Just received this package from NYX Professional Makeup and it is their Vinyl collection. Your first step is always to moisturize. We're gonna use LA Girl's Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the color Orange Corrector. Anywhere you have dark circles, smile lines, blend this all in with our beauty blender. Today I am using the All Hours Foundation by Yves and Laurent. I don't know if I'm pronouncing any of these brands right, by the way. This is just how I pronounce them. I am using the shade BD30 W Almond. I love foundation. Foundation is like God's gift of giving you new skin. Next, we are going in with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This one is in the color CW05. Apply this generously in a V shape under my eyelid because I have some heavy dark circles. Also, where I put the orange concealer, I'm going to go back and put it into my smile and marionette lines. Now that that's all blended in, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Mine's broken, so I don't want to lift it up. Bake right where I love the concealer. Eyebrows, I'm going to be using this NYX palette. Just going to go in with this black shadow, and we are going to create our eyebrows. Honestly, I really suck at drawing my eyebrows, so bear with me. I even got my eyebrows microbladed by my friend Jules. Brows by Jules, by the way. She is probably the best brow artist in all of LA, but I still have a really hard time drawing my eyebrows. I'm creating thicker eyebrows today to give it more definition, and I am also arching up my eyebrows to give it more of like a dangerous, sharper look. Picking up the Wonder Stick. It is a highlight and contour stick. Highlight on one end or darker end on the other end. I'm just gonna go in and clean them up and just blend this part in. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe brush M581. You're just gonna dust that off because that nicely sets your concealer that you put under your eye, and I feel like when you do this, your makeup lasts a lot longer. My dark circles don't come back as fast. Continuing on with the Wonder Stick, we are going to contour our face using the bronzer side. This is brush that I contour with. It is the City Color Cosmetic in CCF07, and then I use the smaller side to do my nose. Then we go in with the highlighter right under the contour, also down my nose. Okay, now that our face is done, we get to go into the fun part, which is finally using the Strictly Vinyl Club makeup. We are going to start off with the Glaze Spot. I am super excited to use these. I've never used them before, and I've always wanted to try out that glossy look. This is their packaging. It's super cute. I love how they actually come in a little pot. Look at that color. That is so beautiful. It is so pigmented and so glossy. I'm not sure how you're supposed to use these, but I feel like you're supposed to use them with your fingers, so I'm going to use my fingers, and we're just going to rub this all over my eye. That is so pretty. Look at that. Look how it just automatically kind of like blends in by itself without you having to like blend it all in with the brush. But I am loving it. It's okay if it gets a little messy because you can always go back in with your concealer or your foundation, and we're going to smooth out the edges later. Make it super glossy. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I love how the color is like so immediate. You just swipe it on. It's nicely there. A little bit of this product really goes a long way. Sorry for my list. I am wearing my Invisalign because I got in trouble for not wearing it. I had to go and get them redone again, so I have to wear them longer. So now I'm just gonna wear them in all my videos, wear them as much as I can because I really want straight teeth really fast, and it's been so prolonged. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with a brush and clean this all up with foundation. I don't need a lot, just a little, and I'm just gonna use a brush and try to get the lines that I really want. I do kind of want them a little bit more blended, so I'm gonna go back in with my fingers, clean fingers, and just kind of smudge them out a little bit. I kind of like that hazy look. I want a dramatic contrast. I'm hoping that the gloss has enough like stickiness to it that the glitter will just stick on without using a primer, because I don't want it to get all over my face. So let's test that out. I'm just gonna use a small brush and put on the glitter. Wow, look at that glitter. So shiny and shimmery. Ooh, girl. My eyes are gonna blind you. Hold on, I'm gonna get closer to the camera. I don't know if you guys can see. Ooh, look at how pretty and reflective these glitters are. They're so shiny. I love it. Next, strictly vinyl eyeliner. The tip is your typical brush. It's not felt tip, it's like the hair tip ones. And I'm just gonna create cat eye look with this. Ooh, it's like a nice shade of like a slatey purple. I want a pretty edgy look, so the wing is gonna be pretty high and pretty thick. You know, even the eyeliner is very pigmented and also kind of thick, like paint. Overall, really liking the colors. They're so vibrant and so edgy and so pigmented. Just gonna use some black eyeliner to line the whole bottom to give it more definition. I'm gonna go all the way in and then create a little peak right here. Like Cleopatra would do her eyes, I think. I have really wide set eyes, so there's a lot of space in here, so I like to use that peak because it makes my eyes look like they come in a lot closer. Onto eyelashes. This is by Morphe Premium Lashes. This is the Lash Posh. They're pretty big and wispy because I'm going for that dramatic look. I just love eyelashes. They really give you that extra something that finishes off your entire makeup look. And I'm mono-lidded and I have no under crease, no crease at all. And when I wear eyelashes, they actually give me a little bit of a crease, which I really like. Wow, I look like a completely different person than when I first started. So this is my finished eye look. And I think I look a lot more daring than before I started. Our next product is going to be the Strictnol Vinyl Lip Gloss. We are going to swipe this on. This is supposed to be super hardcore and super shine. Wow, that is dark. But it is such a pretty green. Okay, I'm a little scared. I've never used lipstick or lip gloss this dark before. Here we go. Also, like my eyebrows, I suck at drawing lips because I have such small little lips with no lines. Oh my god, it's so dark. Ah! It is super sticky, but it is very well pigmented. So that is the green lip gloss. Lip gloss is in shade SBLG08 Bad Seed. It is like a emerald teal green. Oh my god, it's getting on my teeth or it's on my Invisalign. I feel like evil, like the evil Disney queen with this makeup on, like Ursula. The lip gloss is a little too vibrant for me, so I'm going to actually add some glitter onto it. It's the same glitter we use for the eyes. If you have small lips like mine, if you add shimmer to the center, it actually makes your lips look a lot bigger. We're going to finish off the look by putting on some translucent powder to set the entire face. And we cannot forget the highlight. I have like a loose highlight that I've had for years and I don't know where it's from, so sorry, but yes, that extra glow. Nice. So this is the final look. Not bad. I feel pretty badass. I want to like go kick someone's butt at the club for stepping on my shoe or something. And I'm too lazy to do my hair, so we're gonna put on a wig. So this is the final look. Thank you for watching my YouTube video today, guys. And if you would like to see more videos like this, or if you want to see other videos, please comment down below on what you liked, what you didn't like. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, follow button, all the buttons. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I'll never forget this day. I'll never forget.